Today I'm going to show you how to properly clean a lobster.
All right, so when most people get a fresh lobster like this, we caught this one ourselves, they simply take the tail and they give it a little twist and they twist it off. However, when you do that, you leave a lot of meat in the upper body or the head here. So to get the maximum amount of meat out of this, what you want to do is insert your knife into the side of the lobster like this. And this is very simple. Don't overthink this. Insert your knife like this. And what you're going to do is you're just going to cut a little hard piece that it connects the shell to the bottom of the legs there, okay? Just real simple like that. Same thing on the other side. Just a little hard piece and it just cuts like so. Now, I'm going to flip the lobster over and there is a little membrane that runs across there. So I'm going to take my thumb and simply break the membrane. Now, the bigger the lobster, the harder this is. This is a smaller one, so it's a little easy. There we go. That's all I have to do right there. Flip the lobster back over. You're gonna take one hand and you're gonna put it over the tail, put your fingers under the carapace there, and you're gonna lift up like so, exposing the head. Now, the final step, all you have to do is lift the meat upwards out of the body. You see sometimes guts come attached right there. Sometimes they stay in the body, sometimes they're attached. But check that out. Look at all the extra meat I got out of that lobster there. I would have twisted it off and left that stuff in there. We can throw the head away if the body's big enough. I actually eat the legs, and there's even meat in these antennas. Cut that, and you can kind of see it there. So if you're feeling adventurous, you can get into those if the lobster's big enough. Since this one's a small one, I'm not going to worry about that. Now I'm going to flip the lobster over. I'm going to take this big knife here. This is kind of overkill for this, but you're going to basically insert the knife into the shell right between these two eyes here, and I'm just going to push down like so. See, I made that nice cut. I split the shell in the back, and then I'm going to grab out the vein there. Oh, okay, there it is. It kind of got squished down. There we go. This actually is a vein that doesn't really have much in it. We're going to throw that out. And see, you kind of have a restaurant-style lobster tail here. What you can do now is split it apart there and kind of grab out the meat. And you can either pull the meat away if you don't want the tail, or you can just kind of set it on top. There we go. Just like they do at restaurants, and you can bake it like that. Spread the tail out, and there you kind of have a little bit of a presentation, or you can just grab this and tear the whole thing out. There it is, guys. How to clean a lobster. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one.